Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a dividend portfolio using just 6 stocks that can generate cash flow every single month, even if you're a total beginner. Yes, that's right, passive income 12 months a year. Let's get started. Most dividend stocks only pay out once per quarter, which means you might go months without seeing a dollar. But what if we could carefully choose stocks that pay in different months, and even include one that pays monthly? That's the strategy. Create a portfolio that fills in all 12 months, using a mix of reliable dividend-paying companies. Here's what we're aiming for: diversified across sectors, strong dividend history, different payout months, at least one monthly payer for stability. 1. Realty Income. Realty Income got its start in 1969 with a single investment in a Taco Bell. Today, the retail REIT owns thousands of properties across America, leased to hundreds of tenants operating in dozens of industries. Retail properties account for most of the firm's rental revenue, with industrial warehouses and gaming venues generating almost all of the remainder. All properties are under long-term triple-net lease agreements, which shift property operating expenses to tenants and generate predictable cash flow to fund monthly dividend payments. Realty Income currently offers a 5.65% starting dividend yield with a 13.3p ratio. The dividend looks safe and the company appears undervalued. The most recent dividend increase was 3.2%. At a current price of $57.18, I would buy 87.44 shares. 2. Johnson & Johnson. Established in 1886, Johnson & Johnson is a global leader in pharmaceuticals and medical devices. The company develops prescription medications for various therapeutic areas, including oncology, immunology, and neuroscience. Its medical devices portfolio encompasses products for surgery, orthopedics, and vision care. Johnson & Johnson currently offers a 3.47% starting dividend yield with a 14.2 PE ratio. The dividend appears to be very safe, but the stock may be undervalued at this price. The most recent dividend increase was 4.8%. At a current price of $149.79, I would purchase 10.45 shares. 3. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, founded in 1892, is a leading global beverage corporation. It offers a diverse portfolio of over 200 drink brands, including Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, Sprite, Fanta, Dasani, and Minute Maid, available in more than 200 countries. The firm operates on a franchise distribution system, producing syrup concentrate sold to licensed bottlers worldwide, who then manufacture, package, and distribute the finished beverages. Coca-Cola currently offers a 2.96% starting dividend yield with a 22.7 PE ratio. The dividend looks safe, and the company appears to be fairly valued at the moment. The most recent dividend increase was 5.2%. At a share price of $68, I would buy 37.2 shares. 4. PepsiCo. The first Pepsi soda was created in 1898 by a pharmacist in North Carolina, inspired by Coca-Cola's recent success. The drink quickly gained popularity, and in 1902, the Pepsi-Cola Company was officially incorporated. Today, PepsiCo is a global leader in various snack and beverage categories and boasts more than 20 brands that each generate over $1 billion in sales, including Fritos, Gatorade, Mountain Dew, Quaker, Lay's, Cheetos, Bubbly, Aquafina, and Rockstar. PepsiCo currently offers a 4.41% starting dividend yield with a 16.1 price-to-earnings PE ratio. The dividend appears to be very safe, and at this price level, the company seems undervalued. The most recent dividend increase was 5%. The current share price is $129.07, so I would purchase 6.82 shares, as our portfolio value should remain within the $10,000 to $11,000 range. 5. Pfizer. Pfizer, founded in 1849, develops prescription drugs and vaccines for a wide range of diseases and conditions. Key products include Eliquis, a leading blood thinner for preventing strokes, and Ibrance, a cancer treatment for advanced breast cancer. The firm also produces a COVID-19 vaccine and an antiviral treatment. Pfizer generates revenue through prescription sales and invests heavily in research and development to drive innovation in areas like oncology, rare diseases, and mRNA technology. Pfizer currently offers a 7.18% starting dividend yield with an 8.5 PE ratio. The dividend does not appear to be at risk, and the company looks significantly undervalued at this price level. The most recent dividend increase was 2.4%. With the current share price at $23.97, I would buy 20.85 shares. 6. Chevron. Chevron was born from the 1879 discovery of an oil field near Los Angeles that yielded 25 barrels of oil per day. Today, Chevron is one of the world's largest oil companies, producing over 1.5 million oil-equivalent barrels daily. The oil majors' profits come from upstream activities like exploring for and producing oil, gas, and liquefied natural gas, as well as downstream operations, including refineries that use crude oil to make petroleum products such as gasoline and petrochemicals, and a network of gas stations. With the right combination and timing, you'll have income coming in every single month. Chevron currently offers a 4.57% starting dividend yield with a 19.4 PE ratio. The dividend appears to be very safe, and the company is currently trading at a fair value. The most recent dividend increase was 4.9%. At a price of $149.55, I would purchase 3.34 shares. Here you can see how much passive income this portfolio will generate over the next 12 months. Some months are better than others, but realty income ensures a stable cash flow throughout the year. As you can see, we've covered all 12 months using just 6 stocks. Pretty cool, right? Of course, dividend investing isn't risk-free. Stock prices can fall, dividends can be cut, so make sure to diversify and never invest blindly. Do your research or speak to a financial advisor. But if you're looking to start earning passive income every month, this is a great place to begin. Thanks for watching, and if you found value in today's video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more smart, long-term investing ideas. Stay patient, stay consistent, and keep building your path to financial freedom. Until next time, take care and happy investing.